I'm going to show how easily you can add APIs dynamically to your catalog using Mia Platform and make them available for agents, for intelligent applications to use them for their tasks. Let's assume we have this agentic application which is behaving like a crypto assistant. So there is an LLM behind him and is able to answer questions about cryptocurrencies. So for instance, which are the two most common crypto? And the agent answers based on its general knowledge, because accesses the catalog, Mia Platform catalog. He is not finding any API related to the two most common crypto, and so based on general market capitalization and some basic knowledge, he replies just Bitcoin and Ethereum, and that's it, no real-time data. Now let's assume we want to boost the capabilities of this agent by providing dynamically the APIs of an external service. We just need to go to the software catalog, we add an item, we pick the item type definition OpenAPI, we give a name. Now for this example we will add Binance public APIs. We will provide a description, so for instance Binance APIs to retrieve real-time data about crypto. That's it, everything else is optional. We just drop the Swagger definition, the OpenAPI definition, inside the asset definition that we just created. This is just the basic Swagger of these services, and the item is now in the catalog. Now, when I go back to my crypto assistant and I ask the same questions, I will find something interesting. Something really interesting happens. Compare the two most common crypto. Now, when the agent is looking in the catalog, he is finding Binance APIs that we have just added dynamically. He is able to retrieve the details inside the API definition. We find several services and he decides to compare the two cryptocurrencies using one of the services available. So the agent now dynamically calls the API that has been loaded from the catalog, and we have our comparison not based on general knowledge but empowered and enriched with real-time data gathered from an API, from an external API. This is really interesting because this is just an example, of course, but it shows how it can be easy to work and to empower agentic application, and not only them, with dynamically loaded APIs of existing services, which may be some other tools that you use in your company or external providers. And that all happens dynamically. Now, of course, this specific agent has a permissive prompt which allows him to call any API which is found in the catalog. But with Mia Platform, you can not only govern the import of existing brownfield APIs or external APIs inside the catalog for augmenting the capabilities of your intelligent applications, but also govern how these are accessed and used by the agents that you deploy.